what we got inside of this guy. Okay. Gotta get this little clip and noodle off. Who's gonna be the best at that job? This guy? Does not want to grip down there, huh? Okay. It's a little crooked. Alright, what do we have in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pins. Oh, there's a appears to be a master wafer in there. Better start over here. Oops. So, no, that's just a key thing. Okay. 1, 2, and his friend the master wafer. 3. It's a confusing little guy. I don't know what that's about. Oops. By the way, big pain if you don't get this thing back in, because when you rotate it, the pins will fall in there. Right, so there it sits, and you rotate it, and all your driver pins will fall in there, and yeah, you're gonna have a bad time. Got a couple of those sort of trappy little pins there that get you stuck. I think it was a Dom-IX Saturn, little plastic one of these that I almost turned into a brick once because of that. I gotta keep those together or I'm gonna make a mistake. Okay. 400 Springalings incoming. Oops. Shim. Shim shimmity shim shimmity shim shim sharoo. Alright, standard. Springy standard. I'm going to do this trick. Looks like a standard. See what I'm doing in there with this follower? In case you are unfamiliar with this kind of lock, this slotted follower makes those so much easier. I wonder if those are like anti-drill pins or something. Little maybe steel inserts. Standard. I think this is all standards pretty much. Wouldn't it be weird if there was just one master wafer in there? I wonder if somebody had this and it was more heavily mastered, and then they took out all the masters that they could get away with and have the particular key they happen to have still fit. Okay. You know, I think these springs are all the same, so I'm going to save myself the headache and not take those out. Oh, in chamber 1, 2, 3, 4, there's another master wafer. I'm going to leave that. If you can see that little flashlight there. It appears to me you know what? This might be a time for the lighted follower. All right. Yes, you see there, and grab a point width. Chamber 4, it appears. There's a little master wafer in that spring. But none of the others. So there it is, Dom IX10. I forgot to show off the pins a little better, so I'm gonna just do another little blurb here. So you can see all these pins. There's just these two little, they look like overset traps. Otherwise nothing special. We've got the typical teardrop shaped plug, so that these pins have to sit in a particular way so they fit the roundness of that, and the driver pins also. Easy, there we go. Driver pins also have that teardrop shape. All right, so there it is for real.